Yo, Karisa, let's choose the Rugi. Rugi are supervisor fighters excellent in both melee and range combat. Okay. Trick Assassin. Whoa! Eyes. Are blue. Hair. Skin. Sa color song. Kana. Then apply. So its name is 30. My nickname. And I spent my whole life in the northern part of the broken Isles. I had had much to do lately, so I wandered around the woods in search of food for my family. Life here was quiet, measured, almost boring. But one day, during a solar eclipse, our settlement was attacked by strange under a flag I didn't recognize. We didn't know who they were, where they came from, or what they wanted. I don't even know whether they were humans at all. No one knew that. I saw them from a distance. Everything happened so fast that I didn't have time to think about it. When I heard the scream, I knew I had to take a boat to the mainland in search for help, and so began my first trip outside my home island. Oh, here we are. Okay, so attack. Ano na? Yo. Oh, hell yeah. Say. Light dagger. Okay, so pwede magbutang. Search. Okay, so pwede magkuhan. Adventure. Yeah. Uy, natin yung ano. Wow. Gapang labay siya. Fuck. Get away from me. Assassin's Creed na tol. Okay. Let's go. Wait. So very open. Level 10. Okay. Passive skills. Critical. Pindot na lang ko. Sino lang. Kaya na lang sa critical lang. Sa mas gahit rin. So ayan. I arranged the controls. Yo. Saan eh? We invisible in 5 seconds. Whoa, that's nice. Yeah. Go away. Leave me alone. Ito. So naka-auto. Ano na punta? Naka-auto. Ito ka na. Naka-auto pick. So naka-auto. Auto collect. What's that? My plus defense. Yun na. Anyways, let's continue our journey. Yeah. Invisible. Likod. Nigger. Haha. Wow. La. Saan ni boss? Nigger. Can't defeat me, nigga. Haha. Ano eh? Cross Tion. Peaceful area. Change location. Crispy Shore. Wild area. Level 1 to 5. Tetagikan. Interact. Collect 10 cards in Cross Tion. Hey, you look tired. If you break and being attacked, I think you should ask for help from the guards. Request. Okay. Ay, can I take the carrots and give it to the man? Finish. Yeah, sige hatag. to. Hell yeah. Tapos na tayo passive. Let's prioritize the critical. None. We're still poor. Dito sa painful para mas gwapong hatag. Ano mga kalaban? Invisible. Bang, OP ka na ba? Invisible. Dito makita. Hell yeah, give me that. Invisible. Bang. Ha. So OP. Photo rin pala tayo money. Ano rin sa likod o archer? Search. Taran gems kuhaon. Sayang na. Diyan eh. Search. To gems. Uy. Invisible. Magic. Uy. Ah. Haha. Nakasuot tag ano. 12. Search. Hindi, nagupa na nga dulo eh. So many enemies. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Nice one. Ha. Can't defeat me. Night Fortress. Let's go. Painful gyapon. Ito na yung mga skeleton. Invisible. The Assassin. 11 na to. Patay passive. Start a quiz with your level. Block rate. Critical. Critical sa critical. Critical. Wala. Mahulog lang ito sa rito. Ay mga kalaban. Pwede ay. Wala. Ay. Wala, kabangon sila. Move out of the way. Bam. Hell yeah, gold. Let's go. Nagkabangon sila. Ha. Assassin. Let's go. Diyan eh. May dala po tong bruha. Tira na to. Oh no. Ah. Wow, to the way. Ito rin bro kay sakit ni. Let's go. Can't kill me. Assassin's Creed in low budget. Ano ni bangon? Nagkabangon gini sila. Nakabangon pagyapon sila bastos. Bro. AOE. Uy. Poison go. Ako'y poison. I can't heal. May libro sa to. Effect. Active skill points 5 point plus 5 usage factor. Short. Dari. Nasa ma-upgrade. Ni. Scan po. Uy, new place. Interact. Family meeting. Kill 40 skeletons in weak graveyard. Hey, you there? Don't you wanna have a weapon almost for free? A good one would be used. I see the keyword is almost. Of course. Uy, flexible dagger. Epic. Hell yeah, accept. Right na lang one hit. Oh no. Not good. $40 skeletons though. Oh no. Oops. Oops. Uy, narapotong katira. Oh. Masakit ako Ito ko ngayon. Itong ako nakuha. What's this? Oops, mamatay na ta. Okay. Uy, pasikat. Nakasubra na to. Okay, balik na ta. You son of a bitch. Nakapadyanan ko. Oops, nanay mga wolf. You can't defeat me. Oops, tagka na kayo. Wala, full na ko inventory. Okay. Wala si Susi. Lang. Okay, Ito. Let's go. Speedrun. Naantay 2 minutes. Ito Andre. Karola bayanay ina sustain. Whoa. A new skill. Kusugag damage Love that. Sama na. Tiki. Ako, mo pata Dili sa level. Kaya pwede man siya ma-upgrade ng level. Pwede siya ma-level 20. No. magamit ang dagger day. Okay. Pickaxe wood. Mga new people. Nakalaban? Dili. Uy, si sir. Hello, sir. Find guard in downstall. Crystal, hell yeah, accept. Yeah. May mga trolls. Ano ba trolls? Or ogres? Ay, ogre eh. Naraputong babira mo. Invisible. Slash. Patong rare pero worth it. Slash. So kita din yun eh. Sakit mo naman tol. Taghanag paliton oy. Napay-sickle para kuha ng plant. Atong guards oh. I found the guards. They're defeated. Napildi sila. Guys, ito sa Hilltown. Report. Nanay mga slime. Uy! Libro, kalaro ng libro. Ilapay sa na yung dokumo ko. Magamit ito na. Learn. Yeah. Serious mode. Okay. Ito yung alpha nila, alpha kokak. Ay, sayang ang libro. Oops. Shing. Narabotong samurai oh. You're still weak, samurai. You're not in my level. Barrel, let's go. Whoa, chill out. Technique. Tapos basic attack. Tapos art. Labay. Let's go. Mana nih? Mana nih? Hell yeah. Let's go. Balik ta sa Hilltown. Ito kay sir. Meow. Oh, poison. Ano ni report barkeeper Hilltown. Barkeeper. Who's the barkeeper? So, yep. So, I think that is ako end of video guys. I hope guys nga nag-enjoy mo guys sa pag-adventure to kaning dula guys. So, kung nag-enjoy mo guys, please click like and subscribe guys. Ito ko siya tabang sa akong channel. And happy na po din ko mag 340 subscribers guys. So, yeah. On to guys. So, bye-bye. Buwan nga dula eh. Wee.